Unify is a new venture from Bruntwood, which is already disrupting the facilities management market. By insourcing many of their key services, they can ensure exceptional quality and attention to detail, which supports customers in achieving their business goals. As part of the Bruntwood family, and with strong ethics at the core of their values, Unify place great focus on training and development, which is helping them build a dedicated team of professionals who champion their customer-centric approach. We joined CEO Richard Burgess to discuss how Unify's model is driving innovation in the industry.
Hi, I'm Richard Burgess, Chief Exec of Unify by Bruntwood. We're a new venture from Bruntwood, who are one of the largest commercial property owners in the North and Midlands. And Unify provides facilities management solutions across commercial, public sector, retail and industrial property. We deliver traditional and specialist cleaning, technical services and business energy supply. Bruntwood is one of our largest customers. However, in our first 6 months, we've acquired 30 new customers and announced the launch of the business in October. And we've already got over 8 million in contracts and expanded beyond Bruntwood's core cities, delivering contracts to 2 national retailers.
Why was Unify created?
We're aiming to be a catalyst to transform the facilities management sector, which for a long time has been lacking a creatively commercial approach. As Bruntwood, we'd already started to disrupt the market and have been for some time. Because whilst many traditional property companies outsource everything, we made the conscious decision over the years to insource many of our key services, such as front of house, property maintenance, energy supply, electrical maintenance and HVAC. But we wanted to do better and scale up our offer with the ultimate aim of delivering fully integrated FM services, not just to Bruntwood and its customers, but to the external market as well.
What's special about your team and the training and development you offer?
We want to be a responsible, ethical business that is brilliant to work with and for, one that is fair and transparent and that always puts our customers and our colleagues first. We are a real living wage employer and we're committed to offering colleagues tailored benefits and development packages. Recently, this has seen us overhaul our online learning provision to ensure that it can be delivered by smartphone to over 300 colleagues that work remotely. Our colleagues come from a diverse range of backgrounds, so we've had to break down accessibility barriers and have quickly added COVID-19 training to ensure that they're armed with up-to-date information that's relevant to the environments that they're working in. We've also provided on-the-job training to upskill our colleagues. Feedback shows that they don't want to be pigeonholed into just being a cleaner or just being a pat tester. We're delivering training to multi-skill our colleagues so that they can deliver a wider range of services to our customers. Businesses are often scared of upskilling their people in fear that they will leave for better opportunities. Our view is that the more competent and multi-skilled a person becomes, the more opportunities we can provide to them, the more engaged they will be with us, and ultimately provide better service to our customers.
What's special about your service model?
There's a lack of information, creating a general mistrust around how providers are breaking down what they do in the industry. They're not being transparent in how they're contracting, invoicing and reporting, and it's led for many calling for an objective accreditation system for the FM industry. Take cleaning, for example. Suppliers will make a promise to clean a building, but not explain how. They won't break down the amount of resource needed, or the specification, or what the customer is getting. Many customers won't even question it, and it's only when they come to consider transferring to a new supplier that they see they didn't get the service they thought they were, and we've made a promise to do things differently. First and foremost, we charge customers only for what's being provided, and we pay our colleagues for the number of hours they've worked. Often this will go way beyond their contractual agreement, but if it's a quality job that's been delivered, it's only right that the person behind it should be paid for it. And we focus on delivering an in-house service with minimal use of subcontractors. It makes it easier for us to ensure we onboard employees with our own culture and standards.
What projects are you particularly proud of?
An ethical approach to business is such a central part of who we are. One of the first things we pursued was becoming a member of the Real Living Wage Foundation. Generally, FM providers pay below the living wage because to do otherwise would impact their competitiveness. Some providers provide both a living wage and non-living wage quotes. We're not going to do this. All our quotes are based on living wage, and we only want to work with companies that want to pay the living wage. For us, it was important that we recognise the value our people bring to the business and ensure they get a fair wage that enables a decent standard of living. As we've seen during the COVID crisis, our cleaning teams are frontline key workers. They're playing the critical role in helping life go on, and we shouldn't take them for granted. So we're prioritising investment in our people and putting their development central to our business. We want to build on our brilliant colleague engagement score of +61.
What smart tech innovations are you currently recommending and rolling out?
Our work with Bruntwood on smart buildings has given us a brilliant platform on which to build. We've been using sensors to look at building occupancy, footfall, environmental conditions, and in addition using smart cleaning technology to enable us to deliver cleaning where it's required at the right time. And it's enabled us to reduce the carbon footprint of commercial buildings and enable effective design of space. Systems and technology are at the core of our offer and enable us to deliver consistently high levels of service with transparent real-time reporting to our customers. We're already using systems in cleaning and specialist cleaning to enable this, such as Easy Tracker and Podfather. We're also using Concept for the technical services team to enable effective service delivery across over 20,000 assets we currently maintain. Unify Energy is tackling an unaddressed problem in the energy industry, where businesses in multi-tenanted buildings pay a share of an energy bill rather than paying for their own usage. Using a combination of smart meter infrastructure and systems developed by us, Unify Energy is disrupting how energy is traditionally managed in these buildings.
How are you helping customers achieve sustainability goals?
Being a national FM provider, one of our major challenges is our carbon footprint caused by travel. We're investing in systems to reduce our travel-related footprint, and we're also working towards having a full EV fleet in the longer term. We take an intelligent approach to planning and clustering jobs, and we also make a conscious effort to think about the materials we use and reducing our footprint wherever possible. We're also mindful of this in our selection of suppliers. For example, we're currently tendering for a new uniform supplier. Part of the selection process involves benchmarking their sustainability credentials and ensuring uniforms are manufactured in ethical conditions. In the future, we'd like to explore whether we can roll out organic cotton for our uniforms, which has been grown without the use of pesticides and chemicals. Unify Energy is providing a better way to manage energy in a multi-tenanted building. We're able to provide much more granular data to each occupier about their energy consumption. Decarbonisation starts with an awareness of what you're actually consuming.
How are you helping customers improve workplace wellbeing?
Bruntwood Group is making significant strides in this area, with redevelopment projects under its Works brand. Recently opened 111 Piccadilly in Manchester is the first Platinum Well co-working space in Europe. Tech, sustainability and wellbeing features prominently in the design. The project includes a programme of art exhibitions, and the ground floor holds a cafe and lounge open to the public. Biophilic design has been incorporated throughout the building. A 200-foot photovoltaic lighting installation is a significant feature for the building. It illuminates 3 sides and is visible across the city. And there are solar panels which also generate power for the ground floor. Other tech in the building include sensors monitoring air quality, space utilisation and energy usage. And a circadian lighting system has been designed to create a natural environment to regulate alertness and temperature.